Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I'm very excited to preview a new function, collaborative function that OpenBOM is introducing. It was a request of many customers to enable real-time collaboration between catalog data and bill of materials data. So on my screen you can see a catalog of items that I created, and I also created bill of materials that's using data from this catalog. So until now, unfortunately, you should have been reloading browser in the BOM in order to get information from catalog, but with the new release, it will not be needed anymore. So you can see that I can change data in a catalog, and it will be immediately reflected in all bill of materials open in all browsers across your team. And again, the team can be located everywhere in OpenBOM. So let's take a look. I have a part number A003, and I'm typing the description, and it's immediately reflected here. So I can change, for example, stock quantity on hand for all items, and it will be reflected also as well. So the same about cost and many other parameters. So what is important now is that whatever you do in a catalog will be reflected in all open bill of materials that you have in all your browsers open on your computer, and team members that using the same BOM and sharing the same BOM. It's very cool, and you will see it soon in the coming OpenBOM new release. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon.